As I said in my previous video, we have different kind of algorithm. In this video, I want to test the source algorithm. When we use source algorithm, we want to make sure this is our HAProxy and there are some client in the front end and there are some backend server in our backend. We want to make sure first client always will be connected to the first server, second always will be connected to the second, and the third always will be connected to the third server. Let's go and test it. Here I have the configuration. The default algorithm is round robin, and by changing balance source, it will use source, and all algorithm uses a hash table, and this has two kind of hash type. One of them is map based and another one is consist. It is inconvenient for cache server, and hash table is a array table of a live server in the backend, and because it's static, this hash type is static, on-fly change won't affect to the incoming traffic. But consistent is a convenient for cache. It creates a tree table filled with many occurrence of server, and it will choose based on the tree table, will choose the closest server at the backend. Let me describe it. Imagine it is our HAProxy server. It's connected to the all incoming traffic from front end will redirect to our backend server. These are our backend server, but in this scenario we have a cache server in front between our HAProxy and our backend server. And this one is our cache server. Here with HAProxy, we have to use hash type consistent. But without HAProxy, if we don't have a cache between our HAProxy and our backend server, we can use map-based hash type. And this is the default hash type. When we do not mention hash type, it will use map-based. Let's go and test source. Source is 512 and Docker. My application is running, and if I test, you can see all my container is running and answering me. And if I run HAProxy with 512, okay, 512 we can see is running on port 80, and if I ask for it is my HAProxy IP, and because I'm using source always this client will be answered by the server 10. But if I ask from HAProxy, this is my HAProxy, host name, HAProxy, IP address is different than my laptop. And if I ask for, you can see always my application 12 will answer me. That's source load balancing algorithm using consist and map type.